Anna Vagin, and this tutorial is about saving conversation paths. When you're working with the paths, it's very convenient to be able to save a group with their names. In a previous tutorial, we talked about how to substitute student names like Joe and Mark for where in the original conversation paths it has student 1 and student 2. So here we already have saved the student names, but what we might want to do also is then save Joe and Mark's path. So the next time I work with them, I can call it up, their names are already in, as well as any other notes that we might have made on the paths. To do that, go to File, Save As. And that's very important because you want to save this separately. If you save it on top of your original template, it will remove all of the different students. So you want to have that as your go-to template, and then under that you want to save individual or group conversation paths. So click on Save As, and I'm going to say that I want to save, I see Joe and Mark on Monday, so I'm going to write Monday 4:30 conversation paths, and I'm going to save that in patient therapy notes where I have a lot of information. Click Save, and you see that it has been renamed Monday 4:30 Conversation Paths. That's all there is to it. I hope you're enjoying Conversation Paths. Thank you.